In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up private DNS on Android. So on your Android phone here, go to the settings option. Go to the settings option and then select connections. Tap on connections. So from connections here, scroll all the way down and hit on more connection settings. Tap on it. So once you tap on it here, you will have an option called private DNS here. Tap on the private DNS. So you can either set it to automatic, okay, or else you can also set it custom ones using the third option, private DNS provider hostname. Tap on it and then here you go to manually enter the DNS provider's name, and then once you have entered it, host name of the DNS provider, so whatever that name is, hit on it and then hit on save. When you hit on save, then this private DNS server will be selected, or else you also can leave it as automatic. So okay, if you want to leave it as automatic, so you can leave it as automatic. So if you don't want to use it, you can just turn it back off here. So tap on the off option. You can always turn that back off here. So private DNS is off now. I will just turn it off. And basically that's pretty much it is. That's how you set up the private DNS on Android.